Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to talk about something super useful in software development, that is iterative model. So imagine you are building a puzzle. Instead of putting all the pieces together at once, you work on small sections, check if they fit and keep improving until the whole puzzle is complete. So that's what the iterative model does in software development. It's a way to build a project step by step, testing and improving it as you go. So you don't need to wait until the end to see if it works or not. So first you make small versions, test them and make them better each and every time.
So first we start with the feasibility study. So this is where we check if the project is possible and worth doing it. So it's like asking, can we do this, and we should we. And next we move to requirement analysis and specification. Here we figure out what the project needs. It's like making a list of everything that the software should do. And then comes to the design phase. This is where we plan how the software will look and work. So think of it's a drawing a blueprint. So after that we go to coding and unit testing. So this is where we write the code and test the small parts to make sure they work. It's like building and checking each piece of the puzzle. And next we go to integration and system testing. So now we will put all the pieces together and test the whole system. So this is like making sure the puzzle looks right when it's complete. And now here's the coolest part. So actually this process repeats. If something needs to improvement, we can go back to any step like design or coding and make it better. So this loop makes it an iterative model. So finally, once everything is good, we reach to maintenance. So this is where we keep the software updated and fix any issues. It's like taking care of your project after it's done. So this it's a iterative model is a nutshell. It's all about the building, testing, and improving and repeating until we get it perfect. So coming to the advantages, so first one is catch mistakes early. So you test small parts as you go, so you can fix the problems before they get big. And next advantage is easy to change. So if you get new ideas or feedback, you can add them in the next step without starting over. And next advantage is happy users, like people can see and use parts of the project earlier and tell you what they like or want. And next advantage is saves time. Fixing issues early means you don't waste time later. So coming to disadvantages, first one is hard to manage. So keeping track of all the steps and changes can sometimes get confusion. And second one is need good planning. So you must plan well or things might not work together at the end. And third disadvantage is more testing. You have to test often, which can take extra time. So and next disadvantage is can cost more. Making changes and testing a lot might need more money. And last disadvantage is it depends on feedback. So if people don't give good feedback, it's hard to improve. So this is the disadvantages of iterative model. So this is all about iterative model, and I have also made videos on some other software development lifecycle models. If you haven't watched it yet, I will provide the link in the description. Do check it out, and thank you for watching. See you in the next one.